Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to blur videos in Canva. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Canva website right here at canva.com if you haven't already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. So what you want to do is go ahead and log into your account in the upper right corner. If you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here where we can see all the sections we can access, we can see all the projects right here, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with blurring our videos. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and open up the project where the video is that we want to blur. You can find your projects right here. If you do not already have one, we can just go ahead and create a new one. So click create a design, and I'm going to go ahead and create a new presentation. So after creating a new presentation guys, now I can get started with adding the video that I want to blur. So here at the left side screen, we can find the uploads option that we have. So as you can see, here is uploads, and when clicking on uploads, this is going to enable us to get started with uploading files that we want to add to our presentation. So you can use the upload button to add your videos, or you can use it from Google Drive, add them from Facebook, whatever, and they're going to appear right here. So here is, let's say, my video. It works the same with a video as well as a picture, so I'm going to use a picture. So basically, once you add your video right here, what you want to do is to click on it. So after clicking on it, guys, this is now going to open up this new menu options where you can find the edit option in the upper left corner. So you want to go ahead and click on edit. And after clicking on edit, guys, this is now going to open up your studio right here of edit options, and you want to scroll down until you find the one that says effects. So here are our effects guys, and as you can see, under effects is going to appear an option that says blur. So we have the blur option. After clicking on blur, now we can get started with blurring our video. You can select where you want to blur it, how much, the intensity, and so on, and you can get started with removing parts of your video and blurring them. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.